Okay, let's look at capital letters. So, also called uppercase letters. They are used for the first letter of a sentence. I wanted. We needed. We. You. The very first letter of the sentence is capitalized. I wanted. I. So I wanted. Only I is capitalized. This word here, wanted, is all lowercase, small letters, not capitalized. The first letter of names, places or special events. So London, Birmingham, Wolverhampton. I wanted to go to London with a capital L, London. We needed to travel to Birmingham with a capital B, Birmingham. Birmingham. First letter of titles of things like books, films, movies, songs. Lord of the Rings. L. Capital L. Lord of the Rings. But also it's a title, so the prepositional words are lowercase, but ring here is uppercase. Lord of the Rings. Very good. People's title. Prime Minister, Baron, Mr, PM, BM, capital, big letter. Or initials, where letters mean something else. So UK, the UK, or United Kingdom, or USA, United States of America, for example. The initials, only the first letters. United Kingdom, United States of America, UK, USA. How cool is that? So, capital letter, first letter of the sentence. Names, places or events, London. Titles of things, Lord of the Rings. People's titles, Prime Minister, Baron, Mr. Or initials, UK, USA. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.